Your brain is weird. Seriously, it lies, it cheats, it argues with itself, and still loses. You think you're the one in control? Cute. Your brain made you think that just to keep you calm. Right now, it's filtering reality, rewriting your memories, and quietly making decisions before you even show up to the meeting. And the best part? It does all this while pretending to be you. So tonight, we're cracking the code, peeking behind the curtain, and exposing 20 psychological truths your mind really didn't want you to know. By the end, you'll either be enlightened or mildly suspicious of your own thoughts. Either way, welcome to the glitch. Let's begin. Number 1. The Baader-Meinhof illusion. You're not crazy. You learn a new word, say sonder, then suddenly it's everywhere. On a podcast, in an ad, in a random TikTok. It's not magic, it's your brain on high alert. This is the Baader-Meinhof effect, the illusion of frequency. Your brain thinks repetition equals importance. And now, it can't unsee it. We're wired to find patterns, even when none exist. Welcome to the world's most persuasive hallucination. Number 2, you've never remembered falling asleep. Think hard. Have you ever remembered the exact moment you fell asleep? Number. Because you can't. Consciousness fades without permission. You vanish mid-thought. It's the only moment in your life you never actually experience. That's not sleep. That's a glitch. Number 3, you're remembering a copy of a copy every time you recall a memory. You're not recalling the original. You're recalling the last time you remembered it. It's like photocopying a photocopy. The edges blur, the color fades. Eventually, you remember something that never happened, but you'll swear it did, because your brain hates blanks. So, it fills them in with fiction. Number 4, familiar, true. The more often you hear something, the more you believe it. Not because it's true, but because it's repeated. This is the illusion of truth effect. It's why propaganda works, why viral tweets feel wise, why your uncle on Facebook is very confident. Your brain doesn't like checking sources. It likes rhythm. Number 5, your brain can simulate touch. Close your eyes. Imagine a feather gliding across your skin. Now, a cold fingertip. Now, a sharp tap. Did you feel it? If so, your brain just ran a simulation, and you believed it. Your senses are not gatekeepers. They're stagehands, and you're the gullible audience. Number 6, you talk to imaginary people all day. You're not crazy, but yes, you argue with people who aren't there. You imagine how your crush would respond. You rehearse an insult you'll never say. You replay an old fight, but win this time. These people, they live in your head, curated, scripted, controlled. It's not dialogue, it's monologue in disguise. Number 7, the spotlight effect. Nobody's watching you. You spill coffee. Everyone saw it, right? They're all judging you. Nope. They're all too busy worrying you're judging them. That's the spotlight effect. Your mind tells you you're the center of the room. But everyone else thinks they are too. Relax. No one cares. And that's the most liberating thing you'll hear all day. Number 8, you remember pain better than pleasure. Your brain is a survival machine, not a happiness engine, which is why you remember insults more than compliments, embarrassment more than success, breakups more than first kisses. It's called negativity bias. Evolution made sure pain teaches you fast, which is why you cringe at things from 10 years ago and forget what made you laugh yesterday. Number 9, being too perfect makes you less likable. The most beloved people aren't flawless. They spill things, misspeak, laugh at themselves. This is the pratfall effect. Small mistakes make people seem more human, more relatable, more real. Perfection intimidates, imperfection connects, so next time you screw up a little, smile. You just became more lovable. Number 10. Your earliest memory might be fake you. Remember your 3rd birthday. The cake, the toy, the dress. Except, that's not memory. That's a photograph, or a story, or something your mom told you, and over time, your brain built a movie around it. We don't remember childhood. We reconstruct it. Number 11. You narrate your own life. There's a voice in your head, not the creepy kind, the you kind. It comments, judges, monologues, narrates your thoughts like a Netflix documentary. But here's the twist. That voice isn't you. It's a persona your brain built, so you wouldn't feel alone. Number 12. Emotional pain hits like physical pain. Breakups hurt, literally. Brain scans show emotional rejection lights up the same brain areas as physical pain. Heartbreak isn't a metaphor, it's a neurological fact, which is why getting ghosted can feel like getting punched in the soul. Number 13. You don't remember what happened, only how you felt. You forget the details. But the emotion stays. You might not recall the joke, but you remember the laughter. You might forget the fight, but the ache lingers. Memory is emotional residue, not historical footage. Number 14. You can taste. With your imagination, think of a sour lemon, juice dripping, tart, sharp, electric. Did your mouth water? Mine did. Because your brain can simulate flavor. No fruit required. Taste is mostly memory, and you just proved it. Number 15. You can feel alone in a crowd. Loneliness isn't about how many people are around, it's about how many understand you. You can be surrounded by laughter and still feel invisible because your brain craves connection, not company. And when it's missing, it echoes. Number 16. Most of your decisions are already made. You feel in control, right? Like you weigh your choices, analyze, decide. Not really. Up to 95% of your decisions are made unconsciously. Before your rational mind catches up, you're not steering the ship, you're narrating the waves. Number 17. You love what you see. More often, ever liked a song only after the 5th listen? Or found someone attractive the more you saw them? That's the mere exposure effect. Repetition builds preference. Your brain assumes familiar means safe, which is why that annoying jingle eventually feels like home. Number 18. Your brain prioritizes threats over joy. You're scrolling. 3 cute puppies. 1 scary headline. Guess which one your brain zooms in on. Threats equals survival. Smiles equals optional. That's why the news is 90% doom, and why it works. Number 19. False memories are shockingly easy to plant. In experiments, people remembered being lost in a mall as a kid, even though it never happened. All it took was suggestion plus repetition. Memory is fragile, flexible, hackable. You can steal someone's past with the right script. Number 20. If you believe it deeply enough, it becomes real. Placebos work. Imaginary pain can hurt. A fake smile can make you actually happier. Your beliefs sculpt your brain, literally. Oyster means assess or matan the earth line. The line between real and imagined isn't a line, it's a blur. And every night when you close your eyes, you step into that blur and you call it a dream. Your mind is a maze, a mystery, a machine that hallucinates reality in your favor. So what else? Is it hiding? Subscribe for more, because next time we explore why you're not really in control and why that's terrifyingly liberating. Stay curious, stay human, and remember you're not your thoughts, but they're definitely watching you.